Hello everyone, please like and subscribe my channel Brilliant Houseplant.
Compost is a naturally decomposed, dark colored, full of nutrients rich soil used in gardening. Compost plays an essential role in the whole process of gardening. However, it's not always necessary to go to the plant stores or nurseries to buy because you can make compost at home economically. Today, I will tell you the usage, benefits, and preparation of compost at home. There are numerous benefits of using compost while planting seeds and even before that process. Firstly, it increases and improves the quality of soil. Secondly, it is an antibiotic and probiotic for the plants because the bacteria in compost protect the plants against diseases and infections. Thirdly, it retains the soil's natural moisture and is the best alternative to fertilizer. Fourthly, it provides organic nutrients to the plant throughout its life cycle. Now, let's see the ingredients and the procedure for making compost at home. You can use dried leaves and twigs to prepare compost. Moreover, fruit and vegetable peels, rotten fruit and vegetables, discarded cuttings of plants, and the other throwaway products from your house like cardboard, paper, wood shavings, cotton clothing, and the manure of animals. In compost making process, mix all of this scrap or throwaway material together and let it begin to decay. This stage will develop bacteria. Soon the material will change into fertile compost. It's an ideal environmental friendly ingredient for gardening. In short, whether you have a large garden or a limited gardening area, always prepare this organic compost at home. It is the best thing for the plants and the whole environment.
Thanks for watching.